Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you guys this quick video because I've been getting a lot of messages and seeing a lot of people have this issue, and the issue is that they're having is it's darker on one side of their graph than the other, and 9 out of 10 times you're going to find out that it's your lower unit. And you can see if I trim up right now, you're going to start seeing it getting a lot brighter right here. So you can already see it starting to get brighter. See, now I'm getting really, much brighter. You obviously don't want to trim your motor out, too high out of the water, but you can see now I'm getting, my full entire range on the left-hand side. And some people have it on the right-hand side, and they say, well, it's not happening on my left. Well, what's happening is sometimes could be you go in here, go into your go ahead and hit your enter button, and then come on down here to more options, and you can see here flip left and right. It's possible that you may have this flipped and you're reading opposite sides than what you're supposed to be reading. So make sure that if you have this selected, then this is mounted from the transducer sticking straight, or from the transom sticking straight out of the back of the boat with the cord closest to the transom. So you're going to want that selected. And so you can see if I put my trim back down, and again, sorry for the waves and everything, it's a little windy. You can see already we're getting dark range lines again. So you got to make sure that is trimmed up a little bit, and by trimming it up, it also helps keep that keep the wash and stuff like that from the propeller further back to where you're not picking it up on your transducer. So you can see there, lifting it up, and it's just getting brighter. And you can see that's the patch where I had the motor trimmed down. So make sure you either mount your transducer far enough away from your motor, or make sure you trim your motor up so that way you get you get all your contrast and you're able to see everything. All right, you guys, take it easy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway on the next video. Later, guys.